Welcome new chapter advisors and those looking for a refresher. This is for entering the account and the top 4 basic features of our Google Apps for West Central. A webcam is optional, but if you have one, it's great. Play the Chapter Advisor Challenge with 6 ways to challenge items after this tutorial. I'll demonstrate and then you can take the challenge. There's a West Central website that I've created that has the 4 ways to enter, or you can type in the browser directly. Just go to the website, enter in new attractions. Here are the 4 hyperlinks that you can enter directly and the 2 plugins for entering your video and webcam adjustments. I'm going to use the advisor for beta new as our test subject. Let's see if I can remember the sign on and password here. I think I've got it, by George. Okay, we're in business. Up here on the upper right is your email address. All of our addresses end in westcentralak.org. Your settings are on the upper right hand side. Sign out is up at the upper left right hand side. On the upper left is the navigation areas for the top 4 basic ways. There is the sites we're in now, and documents, calendar, and email. In the center you will notice where all the action is happening on all of the screens. You can do a public site, but we'll go into the private West Central and we'll browse in there. I've set some things up for you, one for colonies and one for chapters. We're going to go in the chapter categories and look at the WC region wiki that I have set up as a website for Google's. This is the home page, and I'm curious to see what you might add and to this as part of your challenge. In the upper right hand corner is you can click and edit, or you can do a sub page and create a whole new sub page under this. You can create a web page as I did for Delta Upsilon, or announcements, file cabinet list. Just name it and put it under the home page and then click create page. Simple as that. I'm going to go ahead and cancel out to go back here and show you that I put one under, named it subpage, named it Delta Upsilon. You can create a file cabinet. I did one here and created a bunch of goodies for you to browse through, so I hope you do so. I spent a lot of time doing that for you in the chapters. The next is documents. Actually, let me stick to the script here and go back to calendar. See how easy it is to navigate? And on the right hand side there are tabs here for different settings, and on the right hand side are some settings here for you for my calendar, which would be yours as the chapter advisor, and other calendars. If you'll notice, the West Central RD calendar is set up there. And if you go to add an event, say our next conference call, you can type in the event and then create it, add the event, and there it is. And there's also a setting in there that you can delete if you need to. There's also a setting in there that you can send me an email and notify me that you've invited me as a guest for an invitation for an appointment. Let's go into documents. And documents has wonderful features. If you want, on the category side here, there's a variety of different ways for you to organize. Underneath here for folders, there are folders shared that I have set up for you. Under volunteers is the one you're probably most interested in. The folder file that I have for you to go through today as an example is CA or Chapter Advisor Master Workbook. And let's click this. It is a spreadsheet, and this spreadsheet I want to show you the features. It's just a file like you normally would see. You can do all kinds of things in Google Docs. You can create all kinds of different documents, and you can even copy and rename this master workbook as something else, because this is the same master workbook that I have shared with all of the advisors. So you want to rename it something, copy and rename it something of your own. This right here is a description that all new chapter advisors always ask me, well, what do I do as a new advisor? Well, this will show you month by month things that you can do. On the upper right hand side, if you want to create and share a document with me, it shows you the share settings, and you can walk through that and put on my email address, westcentralrd@westcentralakeside.org, and share that document with me. And if we go up here, if you notice the tabs at the top are easy navigations, because everything you click on stays open. Going back here, I want to show you volunteer directory. It's a spreadsheet also, and there is no more this emailing of contact lists for volunteers back and forth, and you can see what an advantage that is to eliminating different versions. This right here, if you have an updated email or phone number, please go in here and edit it, and it will be updated for everyone on the region to see instantly. It's open 24/7. I'm going to click these closed and make some room up here and show you that the different categories up here for things that you can create. And also you can upload files from your home computer into Google Docs through these settings here. You just need to choose a destination folder like volunteers or whatever you want to create for yourself. Going back, let's go ahead and minimize some of these, and let's go into mail. Underneath mail, this here for Beta New, there's a variety of categories that are pre-set up, and you can organize them however you want. Once you've read your emails, you can go ahead and file them for easy organization. I'd like to show you the chat feature. The chat feature over here, if you see the icon, green icon, it looks like a video camera. That shows that CA Beta New has already updated and uploaded the voice and video chat plugins for communicating via voice and video, and we can communicate via typing through a typing feature on the regional site here. Oh, excuse me. Or we can communicate via voice over speakers and a microphone, or via webcam. It's kind of nice to talk face to face too. And it frees up our hands so we can work on documents together on a conference call. We have more than one person on it, so it's an advantage when you're working with your chapters if they're off on break. Thank you for listening. Replay for your 6 chapter advisor items, or email me if you'd rather.